Here at Cremeny's Primary School, we acknowledge the traditional custodians of the land, the Bungarong, with people on which we stand today, and recognise their continuing connection to land, water and culture.
We pay our respects to their elders, past, present and emerging.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth of toil. Our home is good by sea. Our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty, rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage of birds Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing of birds Australia fair.
Hello everyone. Well, we've had a little bit of a break lately from having a bit of a giggle and a bit of a laugh. So let's get straight back into it this week. What can you hold in your left hand, but not in your right hand? How many seconds thinking time do we have? That's right, 10. 10 seconds thinking time, see if you can work it out. All right, boy, that time goes quick. Let's see how you went. What can you hold in your left hand that you cannot hold in your right? The answer is your right elbow. Great job if you got that one. It was pretty tricky this week. Have a wonderful, wonderful week, and I will see you all again soon. Bye now.
Next week's SWPBS goals is
that we use the toilets during break times.
We go to the toilets during break times so it doesn't impact our learning.
And when the teacher says lining up, it's a good time to go to the toilet.